Welcome back to Animarium. I am back and this time I will cover the content that you guys voted for. So without further delaying, let's start with the intro.
Three, two, one, go!
On March 27th, I started a poll in which I said that I would make a video covering the content from anime which was either cut or changed from what was shown in the manga. Trinity 7 came out on top with the most votes. So here I am with today's video about a kind of comparison between Trinity 7 anime and the manga. But for this video, I will only cover up to the final episode of season 1 of the anime for those who want to continue the story from where the anime left off. One more thing, there will be spoilers from the anime and the manga. If you don't mind the spoilers, then keep watching this video till the end. Episode 1. The first episode of the anime starts from the chapter 0 of the Trinity 7 manga. This episode shows Arata with Hijiri, his childhood friend. Waking up from a dream, Arata and Hijiri get ready to go to school. On their way to the school, Arata looks up and he is confused to see a black sun. Then he has his first encounter with Lilith. Lilith tells him that he is living in an illusion and everything around him has already been destroyed by a breakdown phenomenon that he created. From here, this episode follows the manga up to the end of chapter 1, from Arata joining the Royal Biblia Academy to him meeting the principal and some of the members of the Trinity 7. The first episode ends with Arata walking in on Arin when he goes to bathe and gets scolded by Lilith.
あら何事ですかあら
Episode 2. The first few minutes of the anime where Arin follows Arata around the school and tells him that the Demon Lord candidate, or as stated in the manga, the Magic King candidate would be her husband.
さすがにここはダメだろ
私は構わないわ魔王候補を見ていたの私は魔王の伴侶になるらしいから
伴侶
Instead, the manga chapter 2 starts with Arata entering his room to find all the girls already present there. In the manga, the part where Arin follows him around is shown after the bedroom puzzle scene. From there, the anime follows the manga up to the end of chapter 3. Arin causes Arata to lose control and cause a breakdown phenomenon, and Mira and Akio show up and attack him. Episode 3. The first scene in which everyone is shown on the beach is not shown in chapter 4 of the manga. Instead, chapter 4 starts from the moment where Arata is being attacked by Akio. After this, all the events of episode 3 from Arata being saved by Yui to him choosing a thema and stopping the breakdown phenomenon are the same as in the manga.
確かにお前の心存在本質魂の意味それはまさに支配インペルだマスター
After this, the fifth chapter continues with the first few minutes of the anime where everyone is on the beach and then continues the rest the same as the third episode till the end where Arata learns about Macro and how he might be able to use spells from other archives. Episode 4. This episode is one of the few episodes in the anime that follow the manga properly. This episode is adapted from the chapter 7 to chapter 9 of the manga with all the events being the same. From every student except Arata and the members of Trinity 7 falling asleep to them trying to save Yui and stopping the breakdown phenomenon. There is not much noticeable difference from the manga which would classify as being changed in the anime. Episode 5. The first half of this episode follows the chapter 10 of the manga, but midway through the episode, the scene where we see Mira and Akio talking in the bath is not shown in the chapter 11 of the manga. Instead, chapter 11 starts from the scene where we see Selena walking in the hallway, and from here, this episode follows the manga up to a half of chapter 12. The scene that I mentioned before, the one where Mira and Akio were talking with each other, is adapted from a mini chapter between chapter 11 and 12. But this scene is a bit different in the manga. At the end of the scene in the anime, there is a bit more shown in the manga. Levi enters the scene wearing a school swimsuit and thanks Mira and Akio for showing her a nice Yuri moment. Episode 6. The sixth episode, just like episode 4, follows the manga exactly the same, with no noticeable difference. The episode is an adaptation of the last half of chapter 12 and follows the manga up to a third of chapter 15 before it ends. Episode 7. Episode 7 is adapted from the manga starting from chapter 15 where the 6th episode ended and adapts up to chapter 17 where the gospel seekers are introduced into the anime at the end of this chapter. Episode 8. The 8th episode has some major and minor changes. The major change is at the point where halfway through the episode, Mira and Akio come into Arata's room when Lilith falls asleep. In the manga, this is shown in the beginning of chapter 19 after the Royal Liber Magic Academy is introduced. This was the major difference. Coming on to the minor one. This one doesn't change the story or anything, so here it is. In the same scene where Mira and Akio are shown in Arata's room, the pajamas worn by Akio are a bit different from the anime. In the anime, her pajamas are plain white, whereas in the manga, her pajamas are covered in alphabets. After this, the anime follows the manga up to a third of chapter 20. Episode 9. Episode 9 continues where episode 8 left off and follows the manga from chapter 20 all the way to the end of chapter 22 where Arata changes into Astral Trinity. Just like episode 4 and 6, this one also didn't have any noticeable changes from the manga.
カスが新たに秘められた存在アストラルトリニティ
Episode 10. Episode 10 follows the manga from chapter 23rd to a third of chapter 25. There is only a minor difference from the manga and that is at the end of episode 10. This is at a scene where Arata tells Hijiri to wait for them. In the anime, everyone is still in the room whereas in the manga, when Arata speaks these words, they are shown outside. Episode 11. This episode starts from the same point where the previous episode ended, both in the anime and the manga. In the manga, it starts from chapter 25, from the point where episode 10 left off, and continues up to the end of chapter 27, where Arata arrives with the Trinity 7 to save their magic academy from Luke and Hijiri. This episode only had one minor difference, and that happened at the end of the episode. Hijiri prepares to attack Levi and Lise and tells them that she would kill them before the Demon Lord subjugates them. In the manga, Levi tells Hijiri that she would like to hear more about this after they defeat her. To which Lise replies that Hijiri saw the Demon Lord and the Trinity 7 destroy the world together. After this, Arata arrives to save them and the rest is the same as shown in the manga. Episode 12. The first half of the episode up to the point where Hijiri is defeated and tells Arata the truth about the world to the point where she is taken back by the headmaster of the Liber Academy follows the manga chapter 28, but the last half of the anime is quite different from the manga. For this, I would suggest that you guys read chapter 29 of the manga and see for yourself how much of a difference last episode has from the manga. At the end, I have a few things to say. I would highly suggest that you guys read the manga from the start, but if you want to continue the story from where the anime left off, you should do so from chapter 29 of the manga. For this video, I only covered the anime up to episode 12. There are 2 movies of Trinity 7 and 1 OVA episode. The name of the movies are Trinity 7 Eternity Library and Alchemic Girl and Trinity 7 Heaven's Library and Crimson Lord. The second movie that I mentioned follows the manga from chapter 30. Go ahead and give the manga a try and I can guarantee it that you guys will not regret it. The manga has reached 100 plus chapters while the anime ended at chapter 29. The story has progressed quite far from the anime and for those who want to continue the story, I would highly recommend that you read the manga. If you guys are looking for a way to read the manga, I would suggest using Tachiyomi. And for that, I have already made a detailed and a basic tutorial video for Tachiyomi. The link for that will be in the top right corner. If you guys enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel and click on the bell icon to stay notified about the new content that I will publish on this channel. Till then, take care and see you next time.